Good morning, kids. Hope you all are fine, safe, and healthy. Today's subject is computer. Topic First step in MS Paint, lesson number 5. Children, I would like to conclude here from the previous explanation. In this lesson, I already explained you how to start, draw, color and then exit from MS Paint. So children, be attentive. So Microsoft Paint is a drawing tool. It can be used to draw color, make changes to a picture and paint and save it. I already explained you about in the figure 5.1, 5.2 how to click, start all programs, accessories and then paint. So children, are you clear? The paint window in figure 5.2, as you already seen in our previous explanation, there is a paint button on the left for opening, saving and creating a new file. And then the drawing area, part of the paint where you can use different tools, which is given in figure 5.3. As all are familiar with that drawing area of the paint window, which I had already explained you in my last session. Paint includes set of drawing tools and shapes. The tools menu, which is given in the figure 5.4, and same way in the 5.5 you will see how you will use pencil in freehand drawing. And then how to select the pencil tool, click and drag the pencil in the drawing area. So children, I want that you should draw a picture which is given in figure 5.5 and use your imagination with full of colors using the paint brushes which is given in the tools menu. There are brushes, different shapes, fonts are there, and you can draw in your own imagination the different sizes of the shapes you want. Dragging the pencil in the drawing area, you can draw a picture. You have to fill it with color, as I already explained you. So children, you can see in the picture the color box is shown. You can use a different color by clicking on it. Same way I showed you the Tina's practice using the pencil with colors, how she draws the three objects, that is tree, sun, kite, and how she used the pencil to draw the tree, sun and the kite. In the home, how she keeps the mouse pointer on to fill the color tool. Same way in the figure 5.6 you will see how in the step 3 you have to drag and draw the shape, and you can use what kind of size you want, releasing the mouse button. Same way you have to repeat the above steps to draw different shapes, which is given in figure 5.6, the tools menu. Rectangular, you have to draw the rectangular shape which is given in the figure. You can see there different shapes are given. You have to drag with your pencil, and you can, what kind of size you want to make, you have to release the mouse button. Same way you will see the picture. With color tool to draw the following shapes of the pictures are given. You will fill it with color, children. Do you know the pointer changes to a square when the eraser tool is clicked? Understood, children? Same way, save and exit MS Paint. When the drawing is complete, you will follow the step 1, step 2, step 3. In step 1, you will click the paint button and click as save as. In step 2, save as window, then you will select the file format you want. Step 3, see the children, the figure given in 5.7. You have to file the name of the box, type any name of your drawing and click and save, which is given in figure 5.7. Same way, how to exit from paint. Go to the paint button, click exit, which is given in figure 5.8. So the glossary is also given here, children. Freehand drawing. Freehand drawing means drawn by hand without the use of any ruler or instrument. You will not use any scale, any compass, but you will use your hand freely. Tools help us to complete our work. So children, just pay attentive and see the figure which is given in 5.7 and 5.8. You can do it on your own. And then let's see the exercise which is given. First one, paint is used to, 4 options have been given to you, children. Read text, listen to music, write text, draw and color pictures. So what is the correct option, children? Yes, D, draw and color pictures. Very good. Same way, second one, which shape is not present in the shapes toolbar? You have to search in the shapes in the toolbar. What kind of shapes is not there? And that is crescent is not there. So circle it. That is the answer. Rectangle, triangle, oval, all is given to you in the toolbar. Crescent is not given. Which of the following provides different types of colors? 4 options are given to you. So you can see what kind of colors it is. Whether the colors are in A, B, C, D. The colors are in B option. Very good. Now true or false? Paint has only 2 colors, black and white. Yes, I want answer from you, children. Originally paint had 2 colors, but now paint has got different colors. You cannot make changes to a picture in paint. False. The pencil tool is present in the tools menu. True. Very good. Fill in the blanks. When the eraser tool is clicked, the pointer changes to what, children? I have already explained you. Yes. Come on, children. Before explaining you the glossary, I told you when we did figure 5.6, the tools menu. Yes, come on, children. Use the shapes tool and fill the color tool to draw the following. There, what did I tell you? The pointer changes to a square when the eraser tool is clicked. Yes, very good. So when the eraser tool is clicked, the pointer changes to square. Very good. You draw pictures in what area, children? Yes, very good. Drawing area. The fill with color tool is part of the dash menu. Yes, tools menu. Very good. So now match the following. You have to you have to drag the lines to the correct answers. You have to match the answers to the given pictures. First one, A, first one is second answer. B, Last one, fourth, brush. Very good. Third, first one, shapes. You can see shapes are given to you. And then, what object is that? Pencil. Very good. Very short answer, children. Answer me. To save a picture, click dash button, paint button. Very good. And then click save as. Very good. To exit from paint, go to dash button, children. What is the correct answer? Paint button. And click where? Exit. Very good. Complete the steps to start MS Paint. Yes, come on, tell the answer, children. Click start. All programs, accessories, paint. Very good. Now, children, this is one homework for you, picture based questions. You have to label the different icons in the picture, which is already given in the page number. So you have to see that page number and you have to write the different icons. That is page number 38, 5.4, tools menu. You have to label the icons in the picture. Yes, come on, children. I hope you have understood this lesson. We will meet in our next section. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.